Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best sewing machines for beginners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many sewing machines for beginners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each sewing machines for beginners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a sewing machine for beginners. The first thing to look for is ease of use, including simple controls, clear stitch selection, and an easy threading system. Next, consider the number of built-in stitches. Beginners usually need basic options like straight and zigzag stitches rather than complex decorative ones. Durability and build quality are also important, as a solid machine will last longer and provide consistent results. Additionally, check for adjustable speed control to help you practice safely and gain confidence. A lightweight design and portability can make it easier to store and move around. Finally, look for a machine with good after-sales support and clear instructions or tutorials. These features ensure a smooth learning experience for new users. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.